train station again. Now, I don't know what the guy was doing earlier, but you gotta check your tickets. Make sure you check what train you're on and at. Make sure you check this little date number down here, and it's the same day. For some reason, when I went to the ticket seller here earlier and bought this ticket, he put the date on the 11th. And I thought something was very odd on that too as well. So I don't know why he did that, but he did. But this gentleman over here in the ticket counter, I changed my time 10 to 10. So it's quite a difference in wait time. So I'll get into Surat Thani around 5 in the morning, 5:40 or something like that in the morning. So that's no problem. Anyway, yeah, in Hua Hin, here we are, heading back to Koh Samui. Lonely old train station on a Wednesday night. No one here at all, just me and a few others. The train's a little early tonight. About 10 minutes early. I'm on car 6. Hold on. Look up. I'm on car 6, seat 4. Let's see what we got. Taking the 10 train, Hua Hin to Surat Thani. I get there about 5 something in the morning, so perfect. Take a bus from there to the ferry. This is the second class fare. So yeah, so AC. It's just the way I like it. I like it. We're going soon. Keeping it real in time. Bye now. On board. Here we go. There we go. Settle in for the long night, I guess. I'm not exactly in my seat. My seat's over there. It's number 4, but we'll see what the conductor says. Just chilling. Just best to lie back and put your head back and put the hat down and go off to sleep. Gum pistol. Whoa. Morning. I think we're coming into Surat Thani now, so this has been a long ride. No sleep on this ride. So I've been up since all night. Maybe a little doze here and there, but a ride from Surat Thani to Donsak, take the ferry across an hour and a half, and then figure out how do I get from the Raja ferry to my house. All part of the adventure. Well, here I am in Surat Thani. That's where I was Saturday, buying some food, and all that. Now I'm back. So let's see about getting my ride. So I remember these places from years ago. I take the Songcern. This just brings back memories to about, I'd say, 15, 16 years ago. What I want to do is just get a shuttle from there to the ferry. There should be a shuttle. Again, these are all touts trying to get you, and they'll bring you in to their respective places and that. But I thought there should be a shuttle leaving right now towards there. So. Huh?
6:30.
Okay. So 6:30, you leave by the shuttle to the Donsak. Well, I finally got my bananas there, Luke. I just had 3 of them. Dropped off at the Sea Raja. Took it to here, and I'll get a shuttle to the ferry, I guess, or whatever they got planned for us. Oh man, I'm tired. And yet again, another transport on the Raja. Wee, clang, 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 goes the trolley. Away we go. Bubble tea. Let's give it a try. Getting on the real bigger one. Old, decrepit, really old. It's going to be a very, very, very slow sail back to Samui. No, it's a ferry I've nicknamed the Thumper because it goes, look at this. It goes about 2 knots an hour. It's like it's the slowest ferry in the Raja fleet, literally. The Thumper. Sometimes takes 2.5 hours. Yeah. So I've been up again since 6 o'clock yesterday. And I'll put together the videos with all the different modes of transportation I've done since I've left my house, which is, I think I'm at about 12 right now. So yeah, you know, in the end, it's always easier just to take your bike and go, you know, there's no hassle, just boom, boom. But I just wanted to try something different, and I did, so there we go. As soon as they lay it down, we get in off the boat. Yeah. So let's see about getting something else. What do you got? Mana tong krut? Fine.ไปแล้วทองครุฑ250 seem okay with me. ไปไหน terminal? Oh, I'll check. Yet another. My house for $250. Why not? One sao, huh? ใช่ This guy picked me up last Saturday at 3. See ya, Sam Wong, huh? 4 o'clock. Yeah, he picked me up 4 in the morning. Full circle. It's like pretty funny. Well, maybe I will sit in the front. Okay, it's in the front. First one in. Okay, good. I'm so tired now. I just want to get home. Keepin' it.